our 29-inch under-counter refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, 29 inches. A depth of 31.5 inches. Overall height with casters, 36 inches. And without the casters, we have 30 inches tall. Left door handle. And on the inside, it's the shelf that can be adjusted to the height of preference. Measurement for the shelf will include 24 inches in length by 16 inches in depth. Internal dimensions of the undercounter, we have 25 inches in length, 13.5 inches in depth. 13.5 inches applies for the step located on the back towards the front of the undercounter. On a height, we have 26 inches tall. And located on the right corner is the ETL certification and specs for this undercounter refrigerator. Please note that the worktop is protected by this film that can be peeled off. Back of the unit, we have the standard 110 and 120 voltage, along with the Dixel analog controller. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product.